Hey everyone, my name is Bhanu and I'm from the Tookan team, and today I'm making this particular video with respect to the latest feature that Tookan has created on its Tookan platform and is available for all the users. So basically earlier what used to happen is that an admin, they used to have their own dedicated set of agents, and the merchant, they used to have their own set of agents who were dedicated for the respective task only. Now what you can do is, what an admin can do is, they can assign a whole team with a set of fleets or agents to one on number of merchants that they have. So as you can see, I have already created these many agents onto my token admin account. Now I'll quickly show you the steps with the help of which you can assign those teams of agents to those merchants. So I'll click on the side menu and go to merchant option. So I'll need to make sure that you have already created the teams of agents first. In order to assign that to a merchant, you click on the actions and go to edit option for any merchant. Now you'll see you have a new option that says assign team, or you can assign more number of teams as well. So you click on it. You can either click on the selective teams from here, or what you can do is you can click at the top to assign all the teams that we have created on the admin dashboard. Now what's the use of this particular feature is that an agent will be assigned to an admin as well as for a merchant. So you'll get the notification for the task created for a specific merchant as well as for specific admin as well, and he can complete those tasks as well. So this will increase the usability of the token platform as well as the use for work for the agents as well. Now stay tuned, as Tookan will be creating more features, more new features like this as well, and we'll be sharing a lot of those videos as well. So if you want to see the previous videos, you can subscribe our Jungleworks channel on YouTube, and you'll be able to see a whole lot of videos that were made it, showcasing the demo on the Tookan platform and other features as well. So I'll with this, we end for today's session, and I hope all of you have an amazing time, and take care. Bye bye.